guys, so you scan this QR code and unlock the use of this bar. Here are some few things that I want to tell you about this bar and how to use it. This is lotion in solid form. Here is the product. This is the tag of the product. You can find every tiny details about the product over here. To open it, just pull this ribbon. You will find yourself greeted with this lovely bar. So to apply it, take this whole bar and rub it on your skin like this, just as you rub a soap bar, and massage, and then put it back and then massage gently, and you will find soft, silky, smooth skin. So this bar is made at home with all natural products. So thank you so much guys for watching and buying this product. Cheers to soft skin.